Okay, so now we've made it to the back end. Let's start putting the pieces to the puzzle together. All right, so what you need to do is I created an automation. You can create the automation from scratch, but let me talk you through it. All right, so, and I'll show you in the next one how we actually create one, and we'll use the templates. But let me show you what we created here. So this is it right here. This is the free chat demo push. That's what I called it. You can name it what you want. And so let's look at how we put the ingredients together, right? Let's go to edit so you can see what I did here. All right, so this is what happens. This is the actual, and you're going to find out later, the way this works is this looks overwhelming, but it's pretty simple because it's in 2 steps. You're always going to do your triggers first, because your triggers, like I've been saying, and when I teach some of my other classes or workshops, is it's almost like, you know, you're breaking into a house, bad example, but there's a tripwire, right? And so you don't want to set off the alarm. This is how this works. The tripwire or the trigger starts the whole campaign, starts the whole sequence of events, starts the whole automation. You always need to have a trigger first. None of this can happen without a trigger. So you have a trigger, then you have an action, right? So you go trigger. Our trigger here is going to either be an email, they're going to click on a link, complete an order, joined, or reached a goal, or time event. These are all triggers. Our particular trigger we're using here is joined, because they joined what? They joined our list by them clicking submit, putting in their first name and their last name, and by them clicking submit, their name automatically allowed them to join this list. And so here's what happens here. So the person that joined this list, fetched the list, right? Joined, they joined this particular list, right? Also, they joined free retirement chat. They added a tag. We added a tag to them so we can find them later. We call it a free retirement demo, right? You always add your tags. Always add a tag to anybody that comes into your ecosystem so you can find them later, because you can do a search on all the tags. Someone may have joined your room last year or 2 years ago, but if they have a tag, you know what interest they're interested in, right? They may have came to a webinar, you know they like to attend webinars, so you can say, hey, I want to give them at least a webinar tag because I know they attend webinars. So I always give my people a tag when they come in. As soon as they come into my ecosystem, I'm identifying how you came in, so I get them a tag. Then I want to send them the email, and what this email does is you have to select the email on the back end, and the email sends it out to them and says, hey, go out, send them their retirement chat demo email. Then I wait 12 hours, and then I ask them, did they check to see if they open the email. Once it opens, I'll send them another email, right? After 12 hours, I send them an email. Hey, hope everything worked. Here's a discount for taking us up on our offer, right? Or within 2 days, if they don't never open this email, 48 hours, I go back and I send them the unopened, the email unopened sequence, and I say, hey, here's your discount as well. I'll resend it to them again. So it's only if they open it, then they get it. If they don't open it in 2 days, they'll get another email and they'll send it out again. So that's just what this sequence is, and that does everything automatic, right? So again, this is Jenny Jones. I covered with you step 1. Step 2, I'm going to go and I'm going to talk about just setting up an auto campaign and what happens. So you have to go and you have to customize all your emails and stuff like that. Yeah, it's an auto email. It's a retirement chat demo email. I already have that in there. Inside the email, I'm going to have the call to action inside there for them to click and to take action on getting their free retirement chat. So that's how you set that up. Always have a call to action inside your emails. All right. This has been Jenny Jones. Thank you. Goodbye for now.